Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is designed based on the swallow. You can see the iconic head of the swallow is there. It's just longer, and also the wings. The unique thing about this wing is it's just very strong and it can fly for a long distance. So check it out. So check out this paper airplane, guys. I will hold the paper airplane right here and just throw it straight at 0 degree. Now I'm going to throw it at 30 degrees. And this time I'm going to throw it up at 60 degrees. So this is 75 degrees. Now I'm going to throw the paper airplane at -5 degrees. Now I'm going to throw the paper airplane at -10 degrees. First of all, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work as well. First step, let's flatten the paper down. Now let's start from the upper part of the paper and fold it to the other side. Press down the paper. Then unfold the paper. Now start from both sides of the paper, fold both edges to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Press down the paper. On the following step, let's start from the upper part of the paper, fold to a side. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now unfold the paper. Flip it over and start from this side for straight out. Use this point as a preference. I will place the paper this way so I can fold it easier. Alright, so this is what we have. On the following step, I will start from this side of the paper. I will fold straight out. Start from this corner for straight to the upper corner here and use the upper layer as a paper to fold. So fold it. Just fold straight out. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now hold the paper up and start from this side of the paper. Match both sides of the paper to the center crease. When you match both sides of the paper to the center crease, you can see this part of the paper is pop up, and then you can just press this down. Same thing for this side, just press this down. Fix this part of the paper. Now this is a little bit tricky, but you can do it. So now I can fold this upper part of the paper down. You see, this is very easy. Just fold the upper part of the paper down. Now turn the paper over. You will see a paper look like this. Next step, I will start from this edge and fold to the center crease. and then I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Alright, and I'm going to start from this side and fold straight up to the center crease again. And now I'm going to repeat the same fold. Alright, so this is what I have. It looks really cool. Going to press down the paper. Okay, so this is what we have so far. On the following step, I'm going to fold this upper part of the paper down. When I fold down, you can see this part of the paper pop up. So I just fold it and press down the paper. Fold this side of the paper down as well. Adjust the wings as well. Adjust the wings on this side too. And here we go, guys. Okay, so let me fold the wings. Start from this side of the paper, fold that to create a wing. And I'm going to fold the same thing for this side. And now I can fold this part of the paper up to create the elevators and stabilizers. Let's have the plane fly. I'm going to repeat the same fold for this side. Alright, so I just finished a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this plane, and don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel.